I'm Michelle Roberts, and I'm from Roberts Ranch and Gardens. This is a hoop house here, and I'm going to explain to you how hoop houses are made and what their function is. This is our demonstration hoop house. It is constructed out of galvanized steel pipes. It has 2 layers of 6 mil poly tough light plastic that is also UV rated. It should last for about 4 to 6 years. First of all, hoop houses are not made with any kind of heat source. They typically are made to start your crops early and also to harvest them late. However, you can run heat into the hoop house if you want. The way they're ventilated is by the door and 2 roll-up sides. And you can see on this hoop house that the sides roll up to this wood frame right here. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how we attach the plastic here, and our system that we use is a channel and spring lock system. This allows for you to easily replace the cover when it comes time to do that. If you want to come closer, you can get a view of this locking system. Just go right up into the channel. Okay, you can see the spring there and how it secures the plastic into the channel. It's very easy to just pull this spring out and release the plastic and then replace it. Okay, now I want to show you how the roll-up sides are constructed. We have galvanized steel pipe down here, the same pipe that our ribs are made out of, and we've attached to them, as you can see down here on the bottom, the plastic that comes down. During the cold months of late winter and early spring, we will put the spring right into the plastic, securing the sides tight so that it stays warmer. Another reason we'll secure these sides tight is when we have high winds, and we do have them in this area. The winds can gust pretty high and strong. We live right in the Spanish Fork area. And so we will lock the plastic in. We'll also lock it in along the bottom so that we don't have a lot of flapping going on, a lot of unnecessary wear and tear on our plastic. Now when it comes time, we can easily release this plastic, just as easy as that, and roll up the sides. Now I have a chain system here that I chain to the hooks, and we can roll it up 2 inches, 4 inches, or all the way up. And it's going to be a warm day today, so I'm going to show you how I can roll up the sides all by myself. Okay, I just pick it up from the middle, start rolling. Okay. And I come over here, whoops, and I'll just attach this right to the hook. Okay, and then I'll be able to go this way. Do the same thing. So it takes less than 5 minutes to roll up your sides. This allows a little sun to penetrate, but more than anything, it allows for lots of cross breeze and ventilation. So we'll do the same thing to the other side as well. Now our storm doors have windows that slide down so you can get some ventilation through the door. And today I'm just going to prop the door open because I just want a little more ventilation. Okay, now I want to go ahead and explain to you how things work inside. Some people will till the earth inside their hoop houses and actually grow in the hoop house. Now you can do that all season long if you also put another plastic covering over your crops during the very cold winter months. And they are very successful growing in hoop houses the whole year round in areas like Minnesota and Wisconsin. And if they can do it there, we can do it most places. We don't till in this particular greenhouse. We use it to start our seedlings and to Most of these are our vegetables, and right now we're doing flowers. We have 3 purlins that come across, 1 on the ridge and then 2 on the sides, that help strengthen our hoop house. It's a very solid structure and withstands some pretty tremendous winds without a problem at all. I think that's about all. I can't think of anything else I could explain. We do have a frame around the bottom. It is leveled, and then we attach with Tech screws right into the posts that are driven down into the ground 30 inches all along our hoop house. And we have probably 15 different posts that are secured 30 inches into the ground, screwed right into the frame, either the metal frames, metal posts, or our studs on the front and the back. So I hope I've answered some of your questions and helped you to see how a hoop house could benefit you and your family, help you to have sustain yourself and an ability to sustain yourself through all seasons of the year.